Oh shit!
So it's actually steep.
Yeah.
They could have done the drop in the dark.
It's so dark you can't even see the skull that was on the wall there. Oh,
Got one scare.
it's scary.
Scared.
Oh shit!
Big drop, man.
Big drop.
Medium.
I don't know, it's weird, isn't it? That was really weird. I mean, a lot of this is just black.
Like a rubbish kind of reports out.
It really is. Oh, I mean,
It's a little game.
yeah.
That is scary.
I mean, that is pretty terrifying, right? Yeah. Oh, we're next.
That's fun.
And then back outside.
Yeah.
What? Oh,
How was that going?
be afraid. I mean, oh. I'm not going to lie, that there is a bit that's hanging down that looks like a dick. Whoa! Just think how many people's faces are cut. What is this? Like, some kind of science What?
This is the easy way to know. Big final shot.
That'd be sick.
Yeah, things like nothing like that.
We survived.